Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. An expert in the field has just indicated a staggering $350 stock price target for the upcoming month. Stay tuned as we delve into the details and the implications for investors. Cut to expert interview. Expert: Hi there, everyone. I am expert name, and after extensive analysis and market evaluation, I have arrived at the conclusion that this particular stock has the potential to reach a significant milestone of $350 per share in the upcoming month. Cut to graphics and charts. Graphics illustrating market trends. Host: Voiceover. As we can see from these comprehensive charts and trends, there's a strong indication of an upward trajectory for this stock. It's crucial for investors to pay close attention to these developments and evaluate their investment strategies accordingly. Cut to street interviews. Street interviewee 1: I've been keeping an eye on this stock for a while, and hearing about this $350 target makes me more confident in my investment decisions. Street interviewee 2: It's definitely an exciting prospect, but I think it's crucial to do thorough research before making any hasty investment moves. Host: Voiceover. As we can see, the buzz is spreading, and investors are taking note of the potential for substantial gains. Cut back to host. Host: Whether you're an experienced investor or new to the game, it's important to consider all factors before making any investment decisions. We advise consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Host: Voiceover. As we anticipate developments in the coming weeks, it's essential to keep an eye on any significant news or market shifts that might impact the trajectory of this stock. Diligent monitoring and prudent decision-making will be key for investors to navigate the dynamic landscape effectively. Cut to footage of previous stock performance. Host: Voiceover. Reflecting on the stock's previous performance, it's evident that it has demonstrated resilience and the potential for substantial growth, making it a compelling option for investors seeking promising opportunities. Cut to B-roll footage of market activities. Host: Voiceover. With the market constantly evolving, staying updated with the latest market insights and trends is crucial for making informed investment decisions. We encourage viewers to stay engaged and educated to make the most of their investment journey. Host: Voiceover. Before we sign off, we want to remind our viewers that investment decisions should align with individual risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. Diversification and a well-thought-out investment strategy are key elements in building a resilient portfolio. Cut to expert insights. Expert: Diversification is crucial in managing risk and optimizing returns. Investors should consider a balanced portfolio that includes a mix of assets to mitigate potential market volatility. Host: Voiceover. Solid advice there from our expert. Remember, the goal is not just to achieve short-term gains but to build a sustainable and robust investment portfolio for the future. Host: Voiceover. As we eagerly await the unfolding of events in the stock market, we encourage our viewers to conduct thorough research, seek professional advice, and stay updated with reliable sources to make informed investment decisions. Cut to host. Host: That's a wrap for today's analysis. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section below, and let us know what you think about the projected $350 stock price target. Your insights are invaluable to us. Host: Voiceover. Before we conclude, it's crucial to highlight the significance of staying updated on market trends and news that could potentially impact your investment decisions. Market volatility is a reality, and being well-informed can help you navigate through uncertain times with confidence and resilience. Cut to expert insights. Expert: Keeping a close eye on both macroeconomic and industry-specific developments is essential. Investors should remain vigilant and adaptable in response to any emerging opportunities or risks. Host: Voiceover. Sound advice from our expert. Remember, being proactive and staying informed is key to maximizing your investment potential. Cut to shot of stock market visuals and charts. Headline: Narrator: Voiceover. Expert indicates $350 stock price target for the upcoming month. Discussion. Host: On camera. Hey there, everyone. As mentioned earlier, we've received insider information suggesting a potential increase in the stock price of company name. This could mean great news for investors, so let's delve deeper into the details. Cut to shot of expert or related visuals. expert, on camera. Based on the latest market trends and company performance indicators, we anticipate a significant uptick in the stock price of company name in the upcoming month. Our analysis suggests a potential target price of $350, indicating a promising opportunity for investors. Analysis, visuals, and charts. Host, on camera. Looking at the charts and market analysis, it's clear that company name is poised for a substantial growth spurt. This news could potentially impact various sectors, including relevant sector, and relevant sector. Disclaimer, narrator, voiceover. Please note that stock market investments are subject to market risks, and it's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Analysis. According to the expert's analysis, several key factors have contributed to this bullish prediction. Mention factors here, such as market trends, company performance, or industry-specific news. This positive outlook is backed by strong fundamentals and a promising trajectory for the company in question. Potential implications. If this prediction holds true, investors could see substantial gains in the near future. However, it's crucial to approach this information with caution and conduct personal research before making any investment decisions. Remember, the stock market is dynamic and can be influenced by various unforeseen events, investment considerations. Before making any investment decisions, it's essential to consider your risk tolerance and long-term investment goals. While the $350 stock price target sounds promising, it's crucial to analyze the potential risks associated with the investment, such as market volatility, regulatory changes, or unforeseen challenges within the industry. Experts' track record. While the expert's prediction is significant, it's also wise to consider the track record of the analyst or expert providing the forecast. Assess their previous predictions and their accuracy to gain a better understanding of the reliability of their current assessment. Community engagement. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this exciting development. Do you believe the stock has the potential to reach the projected price target? Share your insights and opinions in the comments section below. Let's engage in a constructive discussion and learn from each other's perspectives on this investment opportunity. Diversification and professional advice. Diversifying your investment portfolio and seeking advice from financial professionals can help mitigate risks and make informed investment decisions. Remember that no investment comes without risks, and it's crucial to seek guidance from financial advisors before making any significant financial commitments. Stay updated. Stay tuned for further updates and market insights to stay ahead of the latest developments in the stock market. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive timely notifications whenever we bring you the latest news and analysis from the world of finance and investing.